Have you ever wondered why you can say affirmations all day long and nothing changes? I used to get stuck there too until I was mentored by Bob Proctor, and I'm now top 1% of his consultants. Today, I'm going to show you the exact reason why affirmations fail and the exact fix that finally made them work for me or my clients. Now, you might have been frustrated by trying and trying and trying, and you might be saying to yourself, what is the point? Affirmations don't work. I'm here to tell you that they do work when you understand how to use them correctly. Okay. Now, one of my favorite books, which I read every day, is Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. And there's a great chapter in chapter 4 on auto suggestion. If you have not read Think and Grow Rich, your library is not full. But think about this. Napoleon Hill says plain, unemotional words do not influence your subconscious mind. You will get no appreciable results until you learn to reach your subconscious mind with thoughts or spoken words which have been well emotionalized with belief. Okay, so what do most people do? They just say affirmations. They say, I am wealthy, I am happy, but they feel broke and they feel miserable. So, what you've got to realize is that your subconscious mind is not listening to your words, it's responding to the emotion that is underneath those words. So if you want your affirmations to work, you've got to plant them into your subconscious mind. And if you're going to do that, you've got to learn how to speak the language of your subconscious mind, which is emotion and feeling. Okay. If you went to China and you asked a person that speaks Mandarin, how do I get to the nearest shopping center? And you said those words in English, they're not ignorant. They just don't understand you because they don't speak the language. Okay. So if you want to influence your subconscious mind, if you want more money, if you want more clients, more love, more happiness, everything that you've ever dreamed of, then you need to speak the language of your subconscious mind. Okay. Now, why do we want to influence the subconscious mind? Well, your subconscious mind controls your vibration. And whether you believe it or not, the vibration that your body's in is controlling exactly what you can attract into your life. You cannot get a life of abundance if you're tuned into lack. I don't care how hard you work. I don't care who you know. I don't care where you live. It can't happen because you are not in harmonious vibration with that frequency. So, to change our frequency, we have to reprogram our subconscious mind. And affirmations are probably the best way, but you have to mix emotion and feeling with your words. So, I want to give you an example. Okay, if you make an affirmation and they always should be in present tense, it shouldn't be I will be rich. It is I am so happy and grateful now that I am rich. I am happy. I am successful. Now, how most people do it is they will look in the mirror or they'll walk around the house and they'll go, I am rich. Like I am successful. There's no emotion, there's no feeling, right? We need to deliberately add as much emotion and feeling as possible. So when I say my affirmations, I use my body. I am unstoppable. I am the best at what I do. Anything that I want, I can do. Do you see the difference? Do you see the energy, the emotion that I'm expressing? That's how you know that affirmation is inside of my subconscious mind. So your action step is to write down an affirmation. I think one of the best goals that you can have is a financial goal. And it's not just because of the money, it's because of what you get to do with the money, the freedom, the things that you can do for you and your family. It's not about just having tons of cash in the bank. It's about the things that you can do with the money. Remember, freedom isn't free. So you say an affirmation. I am so happy and grateful now that I have turned my yearly income into a monthly income. But you don't want to say it like, I'm so happy and grateful now that I've turned my yearly income into a monthly income. I don't even sound believable. Okay. It's not just the word you're saying, it's the emotion behind it. So you want to be like a child, like a child can be in the bedroom but pretend that they're on stage and they add so much emotion and feeling and enthusiasm to it. Do you get the point? I am so happy and grateful now that I am actually earning in a month what I used to earn in a year. Wow, thank you, thank you, thank you. So you're adding emotion, you're adding feeling to your words, and it's not going to manifest by just saying it once. If I want to get big arms in the gym, they're not going to manifest by going in the gym and doing one, Repetition. We've got to do it over and over and over again. If I want to develop a great physique, I've got to do the same movement over and over again. So you've got to keep doing it. Even when you can't see anything in your outside world changing, you've got to keep doing it, because absence of evidence is not evidence of absence. There's so many things going on that you can't see. It's like when we see an iceberg, you see a little bit at the top, it's so big underneath. So just because you can't see it manifesting, there are things that are invisible that are moving into form, as long as you keep affirming and keep planting that idea in your subconscious mind. Whatever you plant inside of your subconscious mind begins immediately to move into form. But your affirmations are not going to be planted if you don't mix the secret ingredient, which is emotion and feeling. So that's your action step for today. Write an affirmation, and when you're reading it, just say to yourself, I'm just going to do what Joel tells me to do. I'm going to exaggerate it. I'm going to add feeling. I'm going to move my body whilst I'm saying it. I am happy. I am wealthy. I am successful. I am unstoppable. Anything that you put after I am and you mix emotion and feeling begins immediately to manifest itself in your outside world. Let me know how you get on in the comments. I want to see you win. Stop this video and go and take action and do it. Emotion and feeling is the language of your subconscious mind.